Game na, game.
Ayusin! Sige ron, ayusin!
Okay.
Basta na lang magsayo. Okay.
Practice, practice. Okay, yes! Yun!
Ano maganda?
Wow! Ulit! Kiss! 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 Kiss!
Hello, Sensi! Happy birthday sa'yo! Maikling panahon pa lang tayo nagkakakilala, pero napaka-cool mo at pakisama sa amin. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Bye!
Hi Sensei! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and more blessing to come and more birthday to come. God bless!
Happy birthday, say more birthdays to come. Salamat po sa lahat ng knowledge. Yan lang. Enjoy your day.
Birthday Sensei, enjoy your day and have a blessed year ahead and good health, more birthdays to come. Yeah. Happy birthday! You say, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ayan. Hello po, Sensei! Ayan. Nice lang po sana kitang batiin ng happy birthday! Sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong birthday. At ang wish ko po sa inyo ay mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayan. More candles to blow and more birthdays, years to celebrate. Ayan po. At health is wealth. God bless po. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Sensei. Wish ko sa'yo is good health, more birthday to come, and more happiness in your life with your wife and your family, and enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye.
Sensei, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to celebrate, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Sensei! Wish you all the best in life, more birthdays to come, and saranghe!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Sensei! Thank you for being such a good teacher. Your wisdom, your guidance, and your teachings have made a great impact on my karate learning journey. Thank you so much for being such a good teacher. I wish you all the best and happiness in the year ahead. Happy birthday!
Hello, Sensei! Happy birthday! God bless you always. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat.
Hi, Say! Happy
birthday!
So, bago tayo mag-enjoy sa ating day camp today, ayan, gusto ko lang naming batiin ng
Maligayang kaarawan po.
at manigong bagong Christmas. So, yun lang, Say. Batiin ka lang namin ng happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life, good health, at
Merry
sana
Christmas.
marami ka pang taon na na isi-celebrate yung birthday, although next year wala na ako sa birthday mo, but tuloy pa rin yung ating
Balik ka ng Hong Kong,
Oo, balik ako ng Hong Kong. So,
Para mag-birthday ulit.
yun lang,
Ikaw
Say,
magpapa-birthday.
magkikita pa rin tayo sa Facebook, and of course,
Hindi kasi pupuntahan ka
always
namin doon.
be my master naman. Thank you sa lahat ng teaching mo sa akin,
You
sa
are-
amin. Yun lang, once again, happy birthday.
Mwah!
Happy birthday, Sensei! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Mwah!
Hi, hello, good afternoon, Sensei. I would like to greet you happy birthday. Narito na naman ang iyong araw na kayong kapanganakan. Ay nasa mabuti ka lagi. And I wish you all the best in life, good health, and God bless you. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Hello, good morning, Sensei. Happy birthday. Wow. It's almost Christmas and it's your birthday again. I wish you all the best and I hope more success, more good health, and more success on our team, Rukan. And I really miss being trained, but yeah, what else can we do? But I hope that you continue your journey, your team to become more successful later on. See ya soon.
Hello, Sensei. Happy birthday. May all your wishes do come true. Enjoy your day and have a blast. I miss you guys. Bye-bye.